My picture is on every truck that drives out to our customers' homes. And we didn't do that by chance. That was a commitment and a promise. We want every customer to understand that we stand behind what we do.
We sell peace of mind in many ways.
Every time the phone rings and someone's calling us here at Erickson Foundation Solutions, it's like calling your next door neighbor. It's always been, how can I help the person on the phone? What can I do to make their day better?
It's just a great feeling knowing that you're doing something for people that need the help.
We're not just fixing homes, we are helping people.
I started the company back in 1979. Initially, we just offered remodeling and additions. It was truly a family, and still is, family business.
We were always building something, always diving into my dad's supplies, and he was kind enough to let it all happen.
I worked side by side with my father for many years. He really taught me how to work with my hands, but lead with my heart.
Do the right thing, down to the little details.
Matt especially would work for me summers and school vacations. He said, "Dad, I want to come work for you." So that was pretty special. I think that was a transforming moment for the company because it's always easier to have good people help you to succeed.
We were a company of 6 people for about 30 years. As we brought more and more people onto the team, I realized that we need to learn to differentiate ourselves, to provide more for our customers, and that's when we found Basement Systems and Larry Janeski.
Larry Janeski is the founder and owner of Basement Systems Network in Contractor Nation.
Larry started out young and poor with a dream. He wanted to be able to make someone's house a home.
In 1987, I started taking notice of this basement waterproofing industry, and I noticed that providers at the time were not giving customers what they really wanted, which was reliably dry, usable space.
Larry Janeski literally did write the book on basement waterproofing and all of that stuff.
Larry Janeski holds patents on so many of these things that define the industry, and we are the exclusive dealer of the Basement Systems products in our area.
Whenever I install Basement Systems products, I know that it's going to work.
The Basement Systems product is top notch. I really, really am confident that that home will never see water again.
It's enabled us to help customers in a whole nother way. One of the biggest benefits, both to us and really to our customers ultimately, is the ongoing training and resources that we get from Basement Systems and from Larry Janeski.
They've been incredible when it comes to the support and the training. It's like having a multinational company, yet still we're a small family-run business.
The bigger any business becomes, it's easy for there to become kind of separate towers. And that's always been really important to us, that we continue that feel of family business. Everyone that I bring onto this team is part of the Erickson family.
I think attitude is really important. It comes from the top, and that positive attitude that Matt has is infectious to the entire team.
Matt Erickson is the exception to the rule. He's right down in the trenches with you in anything and everything.
Matt has just instilled a lot of purpose in us and really truly lives by our mission, vision, values.
He is very much part of the team and not over the team. You're not just an employee, you're a family member.
I absolutely feel like it's one big family here. We're always laughing with each other around here. We're here for each other too.
I've never felt more welcome, more at home, respected.
There's nothing too small, no job too small for anybody here. And we kind of pass that down to everybody.
Just the care that everybody shares at the company, it's amazing.
When you create a successful business, you have to have happy employees to have happy customers.
When we make people feel valued and supported, employees are taking that and putting that into their work.
The homeowner's biggest investment is their home, and so we're coming in there and trying to really give them that peace of mind that we're handling whatever that burden may be.
We really care about their experience, and they're going to feel that we care from the very first call with that smile over the phone.
At the end of the day, when we're shaking hands with somebody, we are welcoming them to the Erickson family.
Over the years, we've really benefited living and working in the community. And as we've grown, it's become more and more important to us that we're giving back.
We have a community day every fall, and we're always looking for a project that needs to get done in the community.
The last couple of years, we've been very involved with the Historical Society in Hudson.
The caretakers of the historic Hill House here in Hudson reached out to us. There were structural walls and foundation that was failing. In addition to that, there was a lot of water in the basement and really causing a risk of the building collapsing.
So we went in and just donated all the materials. Our team of experts went in, cleaned up the walls.
We had the entire team there working to preserve, again, the character of the building while make sure it has every bit of protection to continue lasting for many years.
Being a part of a company that works in the community, it's important that we do set a good example.
When they drive by those buildings, that sense of pride, it means something. It's important that at the end of the day, there's purpose in what we do.
Wearing the Erickson logo, I'm very proud.
I know how great of a company we are and how we do things right by our customers.
There's a reason we've been in business for 47 years. It's because we care about people and we're going to make it right.
My father built a company with a tremendous amount of honor, and it really is important to my brothers and I to continue that.
We're all family and we treat our customers like family.
These are our neighbors' homes that we're working on, and we're going to be there for them.
We're a family business through and through, and we're a business that is not going anywhere.